Today I have a temperature controller unit, and the customer said that it's working except for this one button. You can kind of see the button in there. Now I don't know if it's a button issue or a trace issue. So let's just see if that button works. So I got my multimeter here in continuity mode. And looks like it has two screws here to get better. Oh, here we go. It's right here and here. Okay, let's take this screw out. Because I'm thinking that maybe the button is okay. Maybe it's some other issue. Could be like a broken trace, or maybe it's just not getting to the CPU. I don't know. There we go. That's more like it. Okay. So if I put my probe on the two bottom legs and I press it, it should make a beeping sound. It doesn't. Let's check a good one. And that one has a solid click. You can actually hear. This one also okay. So this one does have an issue. It beeps sometimes, but not all the time. Let me try to spray some contact spray in there. We may be able to revive that button. So we have some contact spray. I'm just going to press the button several times. There could be some rust buildup. I'll see if I can get a button that's exactly this size. I may have some. Seems to be. That one's going good. That one's going good. That one's going good too. Okay, I think that has fixed it, just using some contact spray. And you just want to spray right around the main part so that it seeps within that crack. Just give that knob a little pinch and twirl to get the contact, because there is probably some rust that has built up inside the button over time. That's what I'm going to push it in and spray it. Okay. That will just get some of the liquid inside. And that's really doing it good. That's probably a lot safer than replacing it. I always try to use the parts, try to get it going, use some super glue until it has a dramatic failure. Or what you can even do is one button maybe used more than other, you could also swap versus purchasing a whole new thing. So I think that has fixed the issue. I'm going to screw everything back together and give it back to the customer, and then they'll have to verify that it works, because I don't have this special connector, whatever this is for. Yeah. Seems to be a solid unit. The older stuff is not made from plastic, which is good. Oh, I forgot to put on the buttons. Silly me. Have to do that before these screws. Okay, open it up and clip on the buttons here. Okay, let me just try it one more time with the buttons on. Yeah, it's good. Yep, just verify everything. Take your time. Let's take off this. Don't need that. Oh, put a little plate on that. Okay. Alright, that should be good.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.